Imagine scientists so obsessed with discovery, they push the limits of ethics, safety, and even humanity itself. In this video, we'll uncover real experiments that went too far, names, details, and the shocking results. Stay until the end, because the last one will leave you speechless. In 1939, Dr. Wendell Johnson at the University of Iowa ran what became known as the monster study. He took 22 orphan children and divided them into groups. Half were praised for their speech, while the other half were constantly criticized and told they stuttered, even if they didn't. The result? Perfectly normal kids developed lifelong speech problems and trauma, all in the name of science. If scientists could do this to innocent children, wait until you hear what they did with electricity. Stanley Milgram wanted to see how far people would go when ordered by authority. He asked volunteers to deliver electric shocks to another person whenever they answered questions incorrectly. What they didn't know, the shocks weren't real, but the screams they heard were. Most participants went all the way up to a deadly 450 volts simply because they were told to. This revealed just how terrifyingly obedient humans can be. If regular people could be tricked into fake torture, what happens when the torture is real? Psychologist Philip Zimbardo recruited college students and split them into guards and prisoners in a fake prison. Within just days, the guards became abusive, cruel, and sadistic, while prisoners broke down emotionally. The experiment had to be shut down early, proving how quickly normal people can turn monstrous when given power. If you think that's disturbing, wait until you hear about experiments that unleashed mind control. The CIA secretly launched MKUltra, a program testing mind control. Unsuspecting people were drugged with LSD, hypnotized, and subjected to sensory deprivation to see if their thoughts could be controlled. Many never even knew they were test subjects. Some were left permanently damaged, and others never survived. It wasn't until the 1970s that the shocking details were exposed. And if you think that's unbelievable, the next one made even the doctor sick. In World War II, Japan's secret Unit 731 carried out horrific human experiments, frostbite testing, vivisections without anesthesia, and biological weapon trials, all on prisoners of war. Thousands died. It remains one of the darkest chapters in medical history, hidden for decades. And these are just a handful. Imagine what other experiments the world still doesn't know about. If these experiments shocked you, there are even stranger ones scientists don't want you to know about. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss when we uncover those stories next.